the results has come and you have not cleared the exam. If that is your situation, this video will help you. So I am here to tell you, specifically to you, what you should be doing if you did not clear the exam. So the first thing you should be doing is don't worry. Don't worry, because this is just one attempt and it is over. The best part about failure is it is over. Yes, before exam you may be very tensed. Before result you'll be like, will I fail, will I pass? At least the good news is you know what is your situation. And your situation is that you have not cleared and there is nothing to worry, I can guarantee you. To tell my own personal experience, I have failed many times. It is not that I passed every exam in my first attempt, definitely not. Some I passed first attempt and some I have failed. So it is not something new. And I can tell you examples of many of my friends, my seniors who are working in big companies as company secretaries. They have also not cleared. They have failed and then they have passed. So recently I met a friend who is working in a big banking sector as a company secretary. What he told me is that he had decided to leave CS if he has failed executive when he was in executive. And in that attempt he failed and he thought he'd leave. Of course, finally he did not leave, he wrote it and he was laughing when he told me that if I left that CS on that day, I would have never been company secretary in the big banking sector company which I am today. Like this, I can give you many examples of my friends, my seniors, even my students. There is one student who did not clear the exam. He called me up when he was crying. A boy was crying. He was telling me that I am going to leave CS. This is not for me. I cannot do this. But of course, his friends encouraged him. I also motivated him. And in the next attempt, he got very high marks, and that is something which you should know. A person who has failed, who thought that he will leave the exam, who will never take up CS again, in the next attempt, he did really well. And he passed with very high marks. So the first thing you should be doing if you did not clear the exam, if your results did not go as per your expectation, don't worry and don't give up. Never give up, because the value of CS is only when you start working you will understand the value. It is okay if you have not cleared. You may tell, sir, you don't know my situation. You are just telling you did not clear. But I have failed 5 times. I have failed 6 times. This is my second attempt, third attempt, fourth attempt. It doesn't matter. What has happened is history. It is over. It is over forever. It will never come back. So you should always take up exam as though it is your first attempt. You might have written previously once, twice, even 5 times or 10 times. It doesn't matter how much. What is over is always over. So that is why don't worry, and your next attempt, which is coming up in June 2018, you should take it up as though it is your first attempt. Yes. Then the second thing you should be doing if you did not clear your exam is that you must take a photocopy of your answer script. Yes, you will be asking me, why should I take a photocopy? For you to know where you are losing the marks. Why they are cutting the marks for you. Why is ICSI not giving you more than 40? Some people told me, sir, I got 40, I did not get 50. Yes, but why you did not get 50? No use to cry. So take the photocopy. Yes, it costs some money. It's okay. Pay it. And once you get the paper, yes, they take a lot of time to get the paper to you. But when you get it, you will be able to analyze where they are cutting the marks, what is the different way to present, etc. Then the third thing you should be doing if you did not clear your exam is that you must write and practice. I have also made a separate video about the importance about writing and practice. In fact, I have called that video one life-changing CS exam tip. Yes, it is life-changing. The details of that video is quite enormous and it is very useful. So I will leave a link in the description below. I will not tell much about it in this video. But when you write and practice in your preparation, your exam will go really well. In fact, in the new syllabus, of CS, they have introduced a pre-exam online test, something like your pre-boards which we had in school. Why has ICSI done this? Because they realize that many students are going directly to final exam and writing for the first time and they are not doing well. So ICSI has introduced a pre-exam online test which will be like a preparation. You will go write it, you will get marks, and then you can do well in your final exam. Yes, for old student syllabus it is not there, but then just imagine, why did ICSI introduce this? They want everybody to write and practice. When I say write and practice, write one entire 100 marks paper and practice. Then only you will know, can I do time management? Am I able to attempt the 100 marks? What are the challenges? What kind of questions will be there? When you do it, it will help you. Let your final exam not be a trial for you to go write the next exam. So writing and practice is extremely important. Then the fourth thing which you should be doing if you have not cleared the exam is be honest to yourself and try to analyze where you went wrong. Yes, to your friends, to your teachers, to everybody else, you may say, I studied everything, but then ICSI is not giving me marks. Or I wrote very well, still they have cut the marks. Or I got 40, they are not giving me aggregate. You can tell any story to anybody. That doesn't matter. But there is one person which you cannot cheat, and that person is you. When you close your eyes and analyze what went wrong, where did I do the mistake, you will know where you have to improve. And you will know, okay, this sum I did not work out, or this concept I did not study in detail. That is something which you will realize, and you will know what is the lacuna. Then going further, once you know this, you have to work on those areas, do the hard work and study right away from today, and you can definitely do it. And here, if when you do this analysis, if you feel I did everything right and there is nothing wrong I did, still I failed, still ICSI failed me, then it means your expectation is wrong. And if that is what you're feeling, you must again go back to the drawing board and realize that yes, you might have done the best, but then that is not what ICSI is expecting. If you feel this is cheating, ICSI has given me less marks, that means something is wrong with you. Yes, you might have studied very well, but it is not what they want in the ICSI answer script. So don't tell, I saw about myself, I asked myself, I thought I did everything correct, I was honest, and I did, there is no mistake I did. Yes, you might not have done any mistake, but still there is something extra ICSI is expecting. Maybe your presentation should be better. That I already told you, you can take the photocopy and then try to analyze what went wrong. Or maybe your understanding of the in-depth concepts is not clear. Maybe you should study more deeper. Maybe the number of hours you study, you're studying only 3 to 4 hours. Maybe you should study 7 to 8 hours. For each person it is different. So what it is for you, you will know best. And when you analyze that, you will be able to get a proper answer. Then the last thing which you should be doing if you have not cleared the exam is very simple, just to believe in yourself that you can do it. You should be telling yourself, yes, I can do this. This attempt, it did not happen. And maybe in the previous attempts, if you have written earlier, it did not happen. But in the next attempt, I will do it. Because if you don't believe in yourself, if you don't believe in yourself, who will believe? Nobody will believe if you don't believe in yourself. And I can tell you from my own personal experience, just like you, when I did not clear, it could be in CS Executive or in CS Professional. In both, at both stages, there have been stages where I have not cleared some papers. At that time, yes, I have felt I should leave this course. This is not good. In fact, in my CS Professional, I had cleared all the papers except 2, and I had not cleared in financial management. When I did not clear in financial management, though I had cleared in all the papers in the previous attempts, I thought I should leave this CS course. Today, if I look back, it feels very funny. But I am trying to tell you, it is natural for you to feel sad. It is nothing wrong if you feel sad. It is okay even if you feel today that, okay, I am going to leave this course. But then don't leave it. Believe in yourself. And if you believe in yourself, there is nothing which you can't conquer. And the CS exams is not some big rocket science or some scientific subject where you have to do some research and prove something. You just have to study well, put in lot of time, put in lot of effort, be honest, go give your 100%. It will happen. Even if it didn't happen in this exam, even if your results didn't go well, it's okay. In the next attempt you can do really well. So I'm going to tell you one thing which I have seen in many of my students and also in my personal experience. Your talent doesn't matter. Determination can do what talent cannot do. Even if you're talented or not, that doesn't matter. If you have the determination, yes, I'm going to do it, that determination will take you, and determination will make you do things which you can't imagine, and you will definitely clear the exam. So, and that note, I would like to close this pretty long video and assure you that you can do it. You will definitely clear the exam, and there are many videos even in our channel which may help you. And please do write your comments if you have any questions. What were the specific problems you had? I will be very happy to help you, and that is my job. So on that note, I wish you good luck. Don't give up, and you can do it. Work hard, and you will definitely clear your CS executive or professional, whichever exam you're in, you're definitely going to clear it. On that note, let's close this video. Thank you.